All right, let's see what it is here. See more chat options. Let me see here. Extend the chat. Gives. John. Let's see. Let's just get this right here. Bam. If you will. What a void, if you will. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Select live source. All right. Nope, not this one. Here we go. You know what? Hey, what up? What up, Frank? What up, boy? If you will. Right.
Please be seated.
Please be seated. Hello.
Good evening. This is the 8 p.m. initial appearance calendar for September 30th, 2025. As you heard in the court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. There may be victims viewing this in the broadcast recording.
Who's that?
So I will go ahead and read the victim's advisory statement.
No.
If you are the victim of a crime with a case pending before this court, you are advised that you have rights under Arizona law that, among others, include the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, to a speedy trial, to be present at court proceedings, to choose whether or not to be interviewed by the defendant or the defendant's attorney, to be heard before the court makes a decision on release, negotiations of a plea, scheduling and sentencing, and to receive restitution from a person who is convicted of causing you loss. If you have not already been provided with a written statement of all victims' rights, please contact the Victim Services Division of the Prosecutor's
What up,
Office.
man?
As you heard in the recording played earlier, this is a specific type of hearing. I will tell you why you are here, if an attorney has been appointed for you, when and where your next hearing will be, if you are eligible for release, what the release conditions are, and any bond amount. I will not read all the release conditions to you, but I may point out one or two that are specific to your matter. Remember, these are all criminal matters, so you have the right to remain silent. I will only ask you for your name and your date of birth.
Hey, what up, Maui?
I will call you in one at a time here to the podium.
What up, Lex?
And ask you for
Sean,
your name and date of birth.
Grace.
I will call a second person's
Braden,
name, and they'll have a seat right
Miranda,
there
how's it
by
going?
the door.
Welcome back.
It's
Welcome back.
your duty to read through all those release conditions because, again, I won't be reading all of them.
Let me make sure the awa is working. Awa.
Okay. Sir, I believe your matter is towards the end, so if you'd like to take a seat, we can call you out when it's ready.
Okay.
Or feel free to stand there if you'd like.
I couldn't be called out of order.
Not this type of matter.
Okay.
Hey, what up, Alexis?
Thank you, sir.
I'm not sure what the name is, but you have a little star in it.
We'll begin with Johnny West. Please come to the podium. Michael Sandoval, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Johnny West, January 26, 1999.
Johnny West, come on.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
You're here today for a probation violation warrant. Let's see.
All right, there we go. All right. Hey, what's up, Damo?
Okay. There's quite a few allegations.
Strike on Monday?
And it appears that this has happened. Let's see.
What happened, Your Honor? Hey, James, how
Okay.
was your day? Hey, I can't complain.
An attorney has been appointed to assist you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on October 7th, 8:30 in the morning. You are not eligible for bond because this is a probation violation, and under Arizona Rules of Criminal Procedure 7.2c, you will most likely receive a term of incarceration. Okay.
User, thank you for the follow.
This information, including your attorney's information,
thank you
their
for the
phone
like.
number, is on your paperwork.
Okay.
Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Get out of my face, you scoundrel.
Michael Sandoval, please come to the podium.
Mama Bear.
Jonathan Chavez, have a seat by the door.
What? Ah. Drea is gone. Gone like my wife hates
Please
it.
say your name and date of birth.
Michael Sandoval.
Little Jackie, thank you.
1988.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on an out-of-county warrant.
Who paid
This
me?
is
Somebody
also a
paid me.
probation violation. An attorney will be appointed for you at your next hearing. Your next hearing will be at the Graham County Superior Court on October 3rd at 8:30 in the morning. Because this is a probation violation, you are not eligible for release. Your attorney's phone number will not be on your paperwork because it is going to be appointed there
Matthew.
when you arrive at Graham County.
She hates it, yeah.
But the date and time will be listed. So please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Hey, I got a question
Thank
for
you,
you guys.
sir.
Somebody text me this. Let me see.
Jonathan Chavez, please come to the podium.
Why did the
Rodolfo
coffee make a
Robles-Sorto,
police
have a seat
report?
by the door.
Why did the coffee make a
Please
police
say your
report?
name and date of birth.
Jonathan Chavez, July 23rd, 1995.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a new case. It's alleged
Dodgers?
that you committed 3 counts of aggravated assault with a dangerous weapon, which is a Class 2 felony, 1 count of aggravated assault impeding breathing, which is a Class 4 felony, 3 counts
Drop
of
on flesh one.
endangerment, which is a Class 6 felony, and 3 counts of disorderly conduct with a weapon, which is a Class 6 felony.
No bueno.
This court did review the law enforcement report and did find probable cause. There has been an attorney appointed to assist you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix at the Superior Court on October 6th at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for bond. It is a cash-only appearance bond at $150,000.
Kat, thank you for the
If
like.
you are able to make that bond, you'll be released under pretrial supervision with electronic monitoring. There are no contact orders, including do not return to the scene of the alleged crime or have contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. Victims in your case do include your wife, Doris, as well as
Maui, I
both
don't
children,
know.
Delilah and Lionel. If you are able to make bond and you
Hello.
need to return, you do have 1 permitted time to go back with law enforcement. You need to arrange that ahead of time.
Dodgers
It's called a
winning it
civil
all.
standby, but that
Thank
is
you,
part of
Matthew.
the court's orders. You could go back to retrieve necessary item like clothing and medications. If you are not able to make the bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to your next hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Okay. Go ahead and take your paperwork, please, and have a seat, sir.
All right. So
Thank you.
why did the coffee make a police report?
Rodolfo Robles-Sorto, please come to the podium. Darian Rollins,
Because
have
it
a
got
seat by the
mugged,
door.
if you will. Somebody sent me that. I'm not sure who sent it to me, but thank you for that.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Please say your name and date of birth.
Rodolfo Robles-Sorto, 06/30/2004.
Thank you, sir. You're here
What's
today
up,
on a
it's-
new case. It's alleged that you committed 2 counts of aggravated
213
assault,
days?
which is a Class 4 felony, and 1 count of endangerment, which is a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you.
Let's put the trusty
Your next
pager
hearing
back.
will be downtown Phoenix at Superior Court on October 6th. That's at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for a secured appearance bond of $150,000. If you're able to
150?
make that bond, you'd
What
be
this
released
fool
under
do?
pretrial supervision, including electronic monitoring. You do have no contact orders,
Oh, somebody's
so do
paging
not
me.
return to the scene of the
I just
alleged
got a
crime or have
page.
contact with the victim, witnesses, or complainants. You may not reside at the same location as any victim, even if you're the owner or renter of the residence, but you are permitted 1 time to go back with local law enforcement
I
to
got a
retrieve
page from
necessary items.
323-455.
Your victims do include the child who was
you say
present when the
5'5"?
alleged assault took place. All of this information
up
is
blank,
on your
though.
paperwork. If you're not able to pay the
DV.
bond, you will remain in custody, be
Ah, why?
transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change all these orders. Okay, please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Gonna give him
Thank
a
you,
hot
sir.
drop one, flush one. We ain't going nowhere for
Jerry and
impeding,
Roland, please come
breathing.
to the podium.
If you pager,
Jose
aggravated assault. Hey, what's up, Nikki?
Echevarria, have a seat by the door.
Hey, what up? The one and only Big J, if you will. What do you guys think this
Please
lovely
say your name
young
and date of
gentleman
birth.
did right here?
D. Ryan Allen Rollins, August
D.
24th,
Ryan.
2007.
Thank you, sir, and I apologize for mispronouncing your name. You're here today on a new case. There's allegations, 1 count theft of means, which is stealing a car. It's a Class 3 felony.
Stealing a car? What?
1 count possession of a weapon by a prohibited person. That's a Class 4 felony.
He did that
1
Grand Theft
count
Auto
of
for real.
burglary or unlawful entry, which is a Class 4 felony. 1 count resisting arrest. Class
Violation
6
15.
felony.
Hey, what up,
1
make
count
money?
theft, control of
Where's my
stolen
stickers
property,
at?
which is a Class 6 felony. 1 count burglary or possession of burglary.
What's up with
tools,
that Mad Dog
which is a Class
2020?
6 felony. And then 1 count of criminal
We got
trespassing,
another page.
which is a misdemeanor. Based on the law enforcement's report, this court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next
This one
hearing
came out
will be
blank.
downtown Phoenix on October 6th at 8:30 in the morning at Superior Court. You are eligible for release. There is a secured appearance bond set for you at $25,000. If you are able to
what
make
was
that
the
bond,
last
you
one
will
for
be
you? For you?
continue to be
For?
under the
What was the last
juvenile
one for?
probation or
It came out
supervised
blank.
release status. So make sure to call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearing. If you are not able to make
Hey,
that
thank you for that
bond,
Daily Heart. Who
you
sent
will
that?
remain in custody, be transported to your next hearing, and the next judge may
That
change
Mad Dog
these
2020
orders.
used to walk me
Please
back
take your
in the
paperwork
day.
and have a seat.
Hey, who sent me that gift? Let me see. I can't see.
Jose Echevarria, please come to the podium. Jason Arriaga, have a seat by the door.
Let me see. Okay, let me put the gifts. Okay.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Jose Echevarria. I was born April 24, 1968.
Thank you, sir.
68.
You're here today because you failed to appear at your status conference on September 8th.
Hey, Fire
of this
Medic
year.
310. Gracias for that.
So you already have an attorney in your case. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on October 6th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available to you at $1,000. If you're able to make that bond, you still have the same release conditions, pretrial supervision, and the other release conditions. If you are not able to make that bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to the hearing. The next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a
Hey, what up,
seat.
Jay Buff?
Thank you, sir. Jason Arriaga, please come to the podium. Aaron Henry, have a seat by the door.
Mr. Henry, come on down to The Price is Wrong.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Hello, ma'am. Your Honor, this is Jason Arriaga.
Did that fool say,
01,
"Oh, man"?
1999.
Oh,
Thank you,
man,
sir.
Judge.
You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. They allege that you violated terms 2, 3, 4, 15, and then 15A 3 times.
15A.
So an attorney has been appointed to assist you in both of these matters. You do have a hearing downtown Phoenix
I got a
Superior
text,
Court October
Awa,
7th at 8:30 in the
from
morning.
970.
And you do have a bond. One of them was $550, the other one was $250. So together that is an $800 bond.
800.
That's secured.
Dispensa en la
If you're able
tira.
to make that bond, make sure you go to your hearing
What up,
and
Chicali?
call your probation officer within 24 hours because you're on intensive
What up, Bree?
probation.
¿Cómo estás,
If you
Dora?
cannot make the bond, you will remain in custody and be transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders.
Hey, what up? Hey, shoot
Please
that.
take your
Shoot that,
paperwork and have a
Chicali.
seat. Thank you,
Just
ma'am.
give me a shout out. Por favor y gracias
Aaron
a
Henry, please
ti.
come to the podium. Maria Rios Ramirez, have a seat by the door.
Tranquila, that's right.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Aaron Henry, 7/28/1988.
Thank you, ma'am.
What's up
You're
with
here
this?
today
Roca?
because you failed to attend your status conference that was on June 20th of this year. So you have an attorney already in your case, and your next hearing will now be October 6th at 8:30 in the morning. You have a secured appearance bond of $500. If you're able to make that bond, you have the same release conditions. Don't return to the scene of the alleged incident or any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. If you're not able to make that bond, you will remain in custody and be transported, and the next judge may change
Congratulations,
these
Chicali.
orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take your paperwork and get out of my face.
Maria Rios Ramirez, please come to the podium.
Maria
Vance
Rios.
Lind,
Do
have a
you
seat by
know
the
there's
door.
someone else streaming this on here too? What?
Please say your name and
Yeah, I
date of
know.
birth.
I know.
Maria Ramirez, 2/15/1986.
Thank you, ma'am. You're here today on a new case. There's allegations, 1 count resisting arrest, which is a Class 6 felony.
What up, Maui?
1 count failing to show your driver's
Julia.
license, and then 1 count of
Finish the
exceeding the
joke.
speed limit by
What up,
20
Tonka?
or 45 miles per hour over. Those are misdemeanors.
Damn.
This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on October 6th at 8:30 in the morning.
Damn, she has a need for speed, for
You are
sure.
eligible for a secured appearance bond of $500. If you are able to pay that bond, you'll be released under pretrial supervision. If you are not able to pay the bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to your hearing, and then the next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Hey, what up, Johnny?
Vance Lind, please come to the podium. Bailey Schaffer, have a seat by the door.
Bailey, come on down. This is
Please say
Bailey?
your name and date of birth.
Vance Lynn, July 23rd, 1989.
Oh, no.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. It's alleged that you violated Term 1 of your probation, and on the other one, Term 1, 10, and 15 of your probation. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing is October 7th at 8:30
Hey,
in the
Coco,
morning.
thank you for the
downtown
follow.
Phoenix.
Appreciate
You
you.
do have bond on both of these warrants. It's a secured appearance bond of $350 total. If you are
350?
able to pay that bond, make sure you call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of this is on your paperwork, including the other
looks like
release
it.
conditions.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, please take a seat. Bailey Schaefer, please come to the podium. Wayland Wilson, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Bailey Lynn Schaefer, 8/26/1999.
Thank you, ma'am. You're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. It's alleged that you violated Terms 3 and 5 of your probation. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you at your probation revocation arraignment hearing downtown Phoenix, October 7th at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for bond, and it's $100 on each of your cases, so $200 secured appearance bond total. If you are able to make your bond, make sure you call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearings. If you cannot pay it, you will remain in custody, be transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Get out of my face.
Wayland Wilson, please come to the podium.
Close that mouth, girl.
Yahi Mohammed, have a seat.
She's trying to
by
catch
the
some
door.
flies. You know what I'm saying? Girl's just trying to catch some flies, if you will.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Wayland Wilson, 11074.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. It's alleged that you violated Terms 3, 5, and 15 of your
Ooh,
probation.
not 15.
So
Come
an
on
attorney
now.
has been appointed to assist you at your probation revocation arraignment hearing. That will be downtown Phoenix on October 7th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available to you at $100. If you are able to pay that bond, make sure you call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearing. If you are not able to pay, you will remain in custody and you'll be transported to the hearing. The next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Yahi Mohammed.
Did somebody
please
say
come
perfect?
To the podium.
Perfect.
Kawani Carwell, have a seat by the door.
Yeah.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Yahi Mohammed, January 1st, 2003.
Thank you, sir. You're here today for a probation violation warrant. It was alleged that you violated Terms 3 and 5 of your probation. So an attorney has been appointed to assist you at your probation revocation arraignment hearing downtown Phoenix, and that will be October 7th at 8:30 in the morning.
Nothing yet.
You are
Hot
eligible
list.
for bond today. It is $100 secured. If you are able to make that bond, you'd need to call your probation officer within 72 hours and go to your hearing. If you
Hey,
cannot
thank you,
pay the
Tati.
bond, you will remain in custody, be transported to the hearing, and the next judge may change these orders. Please take your paperwork and have a seat. Do
Hey,
you have a question, sir?
The last judge I spoke with downtown told me I was off of probation as long as I stayed in state.
Let me check
stayed
for
out
you,
of-
sir, but that's not what I see.
I could have swore he said that.
Hey, does anybody want to bail him out?
It looks like your expiration date should have been the 13th, but they filed this warrant prior to that. And that's probably where that comes from.
Damn.
Yeah, they filed this warrant on August 13th.
Bah,
So 1
they
month
got him.
prior to your probation ending, they filed a petition to revoke your probation.
Poor guy.
So that is where that happened. But you do have an attorney appointed, sir. So if you want to discuss this legal issue, that would be a good thing to talk with your attorney about. Their phone number is on your paperwork.
I'm curious. I never got my Miranda rights read to me at the time of my arrest. I was wondering
Okay. So remember, sir, these are all criminal matters, and if you want to discuss the merits and other parts of that, this is being recorded as well as broadcast. You have the right to remain
Oh, it's
silent
being
here.
broadcasted, all right.
I explained that to you at the beginning. So if you have questions about your case, it's best that you talk with your attorney. Okay? Their phone number's on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
when is my next court date?
It's on your paperwork. Please have a seat.
God page. God
Kawan
page.
Harwell, please come to the podium. Valentino Pena, have a seat by the door.
Hey, what up, Queen Maya? How's it going?
Please say your name and date of birth.
Juan Carwell, October 22nd,
Juan
1995.
Carwell.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a justice court warrant. There's allegations of driving under the influence, failing to pay. So this is a misdemeanor.
What up, Kira?
This
Welcome
court
back.
is not entitled to appoint counsel for you, so
Hey,
you
Bulldogs
can hire
Forever,
an
gracias for the
attorney or
follow. Highly
represent
appreciate you.
yourself. You have a hearing coming up at the West Mesa Justice Court. It will be on October 14th at 8:30 in the morning. Sir, you are being released today on your promise to go to that hearing.
Yes.
I've also included their phone number for you, so you can call ahead and find out what you need to do to take care of this. They issued the warrant as a cash bond for $1,300. So you're going to want to take care of that.
Okay.
Or they'll keep issuing warrants, and usually if we see them back here 2 or 3 times, we start to impose those warrants.
Okay.
So you've got their phone number now. You're going to be
Hey, what up,
released
Brittany?
today. Please go to your hearing and get this taken care of.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Please take your
Hey,
paperwork. Have a seat.
Shawana. Thank you. Highly appreciate you.
Valentino
Appreciate you
Pena,
showing up.
please come to the podium. Raul
There is a
Perez, have
man
seat
with
by
the same
door.
videos. What the what? How dare he? Does he have one of these though? Does he have the drop one,
Please say your
flush
name
one?
and date
I
of
think
birth.
not.
Valentino Pena, 050.
Ooh, why does he have a mask
Thank
on?
you. You're here today for a new case, and then you also have a probation violation.
Does he have
So
one
the
of
new
these?
case alleges 1 count of dangerous drug possession, which is a Class 4 felony.
Can he do this?
1 count of drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6 felony, and then 1
I don't
count
think
of
so.
obstruction. You did not give your true name. That's a misdemeanor. This court did find
And he
probable
does
cause
he have
and
one
has
of these?
appointed an
A
attorney
Motorola
to assist
pager.
you.
I don't think
Your
so.
next hearing is downtown Phoenix on October 15th at 8:30
It's your
in the
profile, I
morning.
bet.
You are going to be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, and you will continue to be supervised by your probation officer. Okay.
Hey, what up, Tokes? Welcome back.
All right.
Hey, Marie, thank you for that heart. Highly appreciate you. La Migra is present. I still have my pager. That's right. Is that on Ninja? What the hell? Oh, man down! Man down! Hey, we need
Take some deep
a EMT. We need a medic. He might need mouth to mouth, officer. Mouth to
Call
mouth.
for medical.
2 pumps.
They're on the way.
2 pumps. Give him 2 pumps, your officer. I've never done it, and I don't plan to. But he's down. He's down bad. Oh no.
You're okay for right now?
Oh no, he can't go on. Hold on.
Okay.
Are you okay? You want me to hold you?
Just breathe. Somebody get him a paper bag.
What's wrong with you?
Somebody get him a paper bag, please.
Just very hard.
Take the math
I'm so sorry. I apologize.
Is he being dramatic?
Are you okay?
He can't breathe.
Will you be able to stand?
He can't breathe.
Yes.
You sure?
Oh no.
Yes.
Ay, pobrecito.
You don't know what
I missed it, of course. Me too. I wasn't even looking. I see he was on the floor. Can you rewind that?
All right, you're almost finished. You do have a term one violation. The hearing
I'm gonna
date
clip
and
that
time
right
and
there.
your
I'm clipping
attorney's
that.
phone number will all be on your paperwork. Hang on to
Where's
your
the
paperwork
oxygen?
as you receive assistance.
I saw his
You
legs
will be
were
let out
behind
today. Just
the
make sure you
stand.
call your probation officer and go to your hearings. You have 2 sets of hearings. It's on your paperwork, okay?
I swear to God.
And who cut it? I didn't see it. I missed
Please take
it.
your paperwork, have a seat, and take care, sir.
Damn. We gotta make him go viral for that one. Nah, he's fine. Todo. We gotta watch that after this is over. I
Thank you,
missed it.
officer.
The F is with that mask.
Okay.
Ah,
Raul Perez, please come to the podium. Amy Pressure, please have a seat by the door.
I need a playback.
Hello.
Please say your name.
This
and
was
date of birth.
laughing.
Raul Perez, 8275.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You're here today for a justice court warrant.
I heard
and
it.
involves a DUI.
Yeah, I missed the payment, I know.
Ah,
Okay,
wow,
let
for
me
the
speak first,
DUI.
and then it will be your turn. So this court is not able to appoint counsel for
drop
you,
one
but you
flesh
can
wound.
hire your own or represent yourself. Your next hearing is White Tank Justice Court, October 14th at
Jessica?
9:30 in the morning.
Man,
you
you
are
need to
being
stop
released
blinking,
today on your
Jessica.
promise to go to White Tank and get this taken care of. I've included their
I
phone
heard
number
it.
for you. Make
He
sure
fell
you call
hard.
ahead and figure out how to make those payment plans or whatever you need to do so that you don't get another warrant issued. Okay, please take your paperwork and have a seat, sir. Thank
Man,
you.
I was reading the comments and all I seen was legs on the
Amy
floor. I was like,
Pressure,
what the
please
what?
come
What
to the
happened?
podium. And
That's what I
then
get for
we'll
looking
see
away
Luis
and
Garcia.
blinking and whatnot.
Hi, Ryan.
Damn, she came out ready
Please say
for
your
the
name
night
and date
in
of
the
birth.
town.
Amy Marie Pressure, but it's now Thompson. I got married, but anyway, and 21582.
Whoa,
Thank you,
lady, you're
ma'am.
just giving way too much
Congratulations.
information.
Thank you.
You're
So
married.
you're here today on a justice court warrant, and the warrant is out of Santan Justice Court.
Santan.
It's a predisposition warrant regarding shoplifting and failing to appear. These are misdemeanors. So this court cannot appoint counsel for you, but you can hire your own or
He
you
did
can
that to
represent
get
yourself.
released. I had my eyes
You will
closed.
be released today.
Can't wait to
go
see
to
the
your
post.
hearing, which is Santan Justice Court, October 14th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
I have included their phone number. Please call ahead
Thank
and
you.
be prepared to get this taken care of.
Okay.
Okay, please
Thank
have
you.
a seat.
Hey, that lady, look,
Garcia,
she's
please
like,
come to the podium,
everybody that shoplifts,
and then
that
next
gets
will be
away with
John
it, they look like
Valley.
that lady right there.
And we'll wait just one moment.
Yes, tag me
can
when
come
you
here,
clip
it's
it.
fine, but we'll just wait for just a moment.
Damn, what the heck? This fool looks super young. Hey,
We're
somebody
down
get this,
into our...
get this kid's mom. This fool looks super duper young. Who is this vato? I gotta zoom in on. Where's
Oh,
my
they're all
controls so I
gonna
can
be
zoom in?
virtual? Okay.
Hold on, I gotta zoom in on this one. This fool, get this kid a
I still
sweater.
see a few more people out in the... Is
Let's
this
see.
all the people that we need to
Damn,
be
no, this
here?
fool's not 18. Look at this fool. How old is this fool? Hey, how old do you guys think this kid is? This fool's like young. He can't be older than like 12. What? Oh, this fool, he probably took out his whole family or something.
Okay.
What do you guys think he
Do you
did?
mind standing there, or do you
Yeah, I
want...
don't mind.
Okay.
18? 11? 15? 23? Good 23. How old is this?
I can. I'll read the house calls into the record while we wait for the room to clear.
Oh, this fool
If you
did
would
something
like to have
bad.
a seat, you may, sir, or you can remain standing. That's up to you.
It's okay, I like standing.
This
Okay,
fool did
that's
something
fine.
real bad.
We do have 2 house calls this evening. It looks like Cecil
Trigger warning, trigger
Gordy
warning.
is refusing orders. He has 4
He's
matters.
27.
Date of birth 4/23/1974.
Hey, what
They
up,
are all
Becca?
Probation violation.
Man, what is he? What is he
warrants.
practicing dance moves?
Or,
Is he
excuse me,
part of
3 of them are probation
Jabberwocky
violation
or
warrants, and
what?
One of them is new allegations. The new case is dangerous drug possession or use, class 4 felony, dangerous drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony.
Thank you, Matthew.
An attorney has been appointed to
1974?
October 6th,
What up, Smoggy Lantern?
Superior Court hearing. He does have a secured appearance bond.
His
set.
birthday
Matter of
is 1970.
$500.
No.
And he does need to.
This one
contact
can't be
his
from
probation officer
74. I'm
within
from
7 days
81.
if he is able
This
to
fool looks
keep
real
bond.
good for being
His
from
other 3 matters
74.
are all probation
Nah, this was not from
violations,
74.
Alleging terms 3, 4, and 5. He does have an attorney.
Nah,
appointed
this
to
fool has
assist
to-
him October
he has to be in his
7th, 8:30 in
20s.
the morning Superior Court, and on those matters.
But yeah,
he
no,
has a
74, that's
250, and then a
What's cracky? What up,
$500
Tone?
bond.
Underscore
So altogether for
213
this gentleman,
LA.
it is
That's right.
$1,350
So you gotta get one of these for the
secured appearance
213.
bond. Again, he does need to go to his hearings and contact
Shoo!
his probation officer if released. The other person is William
That's what
Kelly.
she said, bro.
It's an out-of-county warrant. An attorney will be appointed at his next hearing, and that's in Yavapai County Superior Court, October 3rd, 8:30 in the morning.
Hey, we gotta. If he's from 74,
for him.
we gotta study this
It
fool's
is not my
blood,
intention to return
his
to this recording
DNA.
if there are any changes.
We gotta take
At
out
these 2
whatever
house
helps
calls
him
will be
or
reflected
whatever
in a
causes him
written
to do
order.
bad type of charges. But
And
we
that
need
will
to
begin
preserve
again with
what
Luis
keeps him
Garcia.
looking young.
And I believe
My
that
wife will buy that in a
counsel-
heartbeat.
Counsel for
Put
Mr.
that in a
Garcia,
bottle,
would you like to
in a
announce?
perfume or something, and we could sell it for $59.99.
Good evening. This is Attorney Belen
Okay, hold on.
Olmedo Guerra on behalf of my client, Luis Garcia, who is in custody standing at the podium.
Luis Garcia. I thought.
Thank you, ma'am. And for the state?
Thank you. Good evening, Your Honor. and to Belen, Stephen Garcia on behalf of the state.
Let's get the state on the. We're gonna get the state on.
Okay, thank you. So we're here
the
today
screen
for
here.
allegations 3-count sexual conduct with a minor, which is a Class 2 felony, 2 counts of sexual exploitation of a minor, which is a Class 2 felony, and 2 counts of child molestation, which is a Class 2 felony. Would counsel for Mr. Garcia like to be heard on probable cause?
Let me hold that. I gotta give some. Hold
Yes,
on,
Your Honor.
Garcia. We gotta give him some agua.
Go ahead, please.
Agua.
I've received the Form 4, and the Form 4 indicates there are some allegations based on
Hey, what up,
2 different
Kimberly?
individuals. Based on what I'm reading,
What up,
I
Tam
do
Tam?
not see that there is sufficient probable cause to charge Luis. The allegations are vague. I know that there was some rumors about school, and like we know what happens in the schools, that sometimes information spreads like wildfire, and that is not necessarily true. So we do ask the court to take into consideration the facts alleged and the vagueness of the accusations and find that there is no probable cause at this time.
Okay. I've also read the law enforcement report, and I do disagree. I find there's probable cause for all of these allegations.
Oh, he's
So
done.
this is a preliminary finding of probable cause at the initial appearance.
This is adult
This,
court.
of course, can be discussed at the next hearing. Would you like to be heard on release conditions?
Release.
Yes,
$1 million
Your Honor, but
bail.
before I make my argument, I would like to know what is the state's position in regards to release conditions.
Go ahead, Mr. Garcia.
That fool looks real young.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state is recommending a $750,000 cash bond.
750?
Very serious charges here.
That's $750,000.
Predatory behavior. It looks like, at least that we know of or are aware of, according to the Form 4 back in January of this year, it looks like the defendant was participating on an app that was meant for children to meet other children.
Roblox.
And form relationships. And according to the Form 4, the defendant told the then 13-year-old victim that the defendant himself, who it appears he was 19 years old at the time,
He's
20
19?
years old now.
20? He's
told
20
the
years
victim
old.
that he was actually 14 years old. In any event, this led to sexual intercourse that was recorded and disseminated in the elementary school where the 13-year-old was attending. And there are suspicions, at a minimum suspicions, of other children being taken advantage of also by the defendant. Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you have to pack him
I
out.
think counsel wanted to know what your release condition recommendations were. I believe
Dodgers are up. That's right, Jesse.
It's $750,000 cash. Defendant may not possess a firearm, return to incident location, electronic monitoring, no contact with minors.
Thank you for the follow,
no direct
user.
or indirect
Freedom,
contact
welcome
with
back.
the victim, no alcohol, no internet except for work and school.
School? Keep that fool away from school.
Conditions that counsel was asking about. Is that
Casey,
correct,
thank you for the
Ms.
follow.
Guerra?
20 going on 10. Shawana.
Yes, Judge. So I wanted to know what was the state's position. Frankly, $750,000, that it's an excessive bond. The purpose of a bond and under the United States Constitution is that the bond doesn't have to be exorbitant. Now, the bond, the purpose is for the accused individual to be...
It's to page me.
It gives a guarantee to show up to court. Now, my client, he is not a flight risk. He's not a flight risk.
I beg to
that
differ.
bond, $750,000, it's excessive, and that is not necessary.
Coco.
He's not a flight risk. He has family here. They're actually in the lobby right now.
Bro, you still got a pager?
Supporting him. He lives with his mother. There are no minor children in the home. And what he does is he assists his mother with her business. She is a realtor and a mortgage loan officer. And so Luis assists with the marketing and getting the documents ready for closing. It's just Luis and his mother that live at home, and they live in Litchfield Park.
She better not
He
lower it.
also has further support of his aunt Adriana Grease and his dad Ricardo Garcia. Luis Ricardo Garcia. He lives in New Mexico, but he remains in contact with his father. He does have two stepsisters, but they don't have much contact. But he does have support here.
What do you guys think?
Luis
Should they let
does
him out?
not have a history of
Hey, I
drugs
can't
or
take that ride.
alcohol, so
Not worth
I'm
the
not
risk.
concerned about him going on the streets to use. Now, Luis is an immature young man, and all these accusations right now are just that. They're just accusations. That is what the case is for, and Luis and his mother will be assuring that he is at every court hearing.
He did Diddy
They have
activities,
retained counsel
if you
for
catch my
this
drift.
hearing. We're going to discuss full representation. So I think $750 is
This was 20 years
excessive
old.
because, as everybody knows, the state typically asks for $1 million for a bond for a first-degree murder. So asking for $750,000 for this type of case, that is excessive. So we asked the court to consider
Make it
maybe
$999,000.
$150,000 secure bond. Now, if it is just cash, then that they're ensuring
That
that
was
he
20
is
years
not
old.
going to have the ability to bond out. This society is not society only for the rich. We also need to
It
give
is now.
every individual the ability to have their day in court, to be able to continue being productive members of society
Forget all of that.
until proven guilty. Your
That's
Honor.
out the window.
Thank you, Ms. Guerra.
What do you guys think? Hell, hey, raise it. $1 million bond. That's what I say. Can't keep them away from the school zones. Ice cream trucks, local parks, pools, arcades, Roblox. What else? Other places should we keep them away?
So reading through the law enforcement report, I did find that the allegations did have quite a bit of evidence.
He did Diddy
supporting them,
activities,
which is why
Marlene.
I found probable cause. I also am concerned,
If you will. Oh yeah, keep them away from
about
daycare
flight
centers too.
and I am concerned about the danger to the community.
And cats, yeah,
So
cats
I have
level.
considered the county's recommendation.
Yeah, every social media,
I
yeah.
am going to set a secured appearance bond today of $500,000 with
500.
pretrial supervision and electronic monitoring. I do agree, Ms. Guerra, that it should be attainable, and I do believe, based on the information you provided today,
Skating
that
rinks.
that would be an amount that would be attainable by
Pizza
someone with
places,
family.
corn dogs, yep.
There are no contact orders, including do not contact the alleged victim or witnesses or complainant, any of those alleged members.
Hey, but he
And
can't be
those
around
include no
alligators and
contact with
sharks
any
for
minors.
sure. Even
It sounds
piranhas.
like that's not part of your job or
I
part
don't
of
think
your
he's
household
crying, is he?
anyway, so that shouldn't be hard to do.
Amusement
There
parks.
is a prohibition from accessing the internet through electronic means except for work, school, and your pending legal cases. So, of course, he will
Or
be able to
dogs,
use
too.
his internet ability to continue working with his mother.
They got video of this fool doing it. This was done.
The other release conditions are fairly standard. So that will
This
be
was
the
20
order
years
of
old.
the court. Counsel, would you like to say anything else for 30 seconds or less?
Nothing further, Judge.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Counsel for the state, will you be remaining on for the next matter?
No, Your Honor, if I may be dismissed.
He did Diddy activities.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for
Diddy
appearing
activities
today.
once again.
I
And he
appreciate both
recorded
your
those
time.
activities.
The attorney.
He's 20 years old. He took advantage of like a
You
12
will
or
need to file
13
a
year old.
notice of appearance if you decide
A
to
few
go
of them
forward in
too,
representation
allegedly,
with the
from what the
clerk.
court
We
says.
don't actually have a court clerk in this facility. We have courtroom assistants.
Órale, vato.
So if you
Long
do
time no
decide to
see,
continue on with representation, You'll
carnal.
need to file into that
Órale,
case. And
magic.
again, that's downtown October 6th at 8:30 in the morning.
Yes, Judge, and if
Susie,
we could
thank you for
have
the
your
follow.
staff send me a copy of the release conditions as well.
Dispensa for going all Popeye on
Okay,
you.
yes, that is something we do. Okay.
Yes, it is.
Thank you for your appearance here today, Ms. Sierra.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you may
Thank you,
have a
Mr.
seat.
Garcia.
He said he was 13, yeah. Using the Roblox app. I'm not sure. They didn't
All
say,
right, the
they just
court
said
now calls John Bailey.
app. Hope you're well. Órale, Simón que sí. Let me see. Cinco. Oh, yeah, it's going to be all bad for him. All right. Do we got another? Oh no! This is gonna be
Please,
bad.
counsel, go
This
ahead.
gonna be bad too. I already know it.
Who's here present in court?
This is gonna be the same type of case.
You're
I already
here
know
today
it.
because of a failing to appear bench warrant.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be the
It
same.
appears that this is a
Oh yeah, this is
out-of-county
gonna be bad.
case, or excuse me. The defendant failed to appear for a trial management conference and is accused of various offenses, including, and I don't have to read through them all.
Read
There
the-
are
read-
some-
We'll waive a reading. Judge, could you tell me what date it was he failed?
Read them, Your Honor.
It looks like this was April 25th, 2023.
Okay, just for the record, he was in custody in Cochise County. Nobody sent an order down there to bring him up.
We don't care.
I understand. So, they did issue a warrant. There was an attorney already in the
He
case.
picked up the walker.
Now it appears that you
Marlene.
are going to be appearing, so, but as I instructed the last attorney, if you plan to continue in the case with him, you will have to file this with a court clerk.
I've done that.
Okay, perfect. So the next
Thank you for
hearing
the
is
follow.
going to be October 8th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a secured appearance bond available, and it is $500,000. However, also, he was brought here by order from Cochise County, and he's not eligible for release. It's one of those
I
weird ones.
understand.
Okay,
Yeah.
where they set the bond, but they also say they
I
want
get it.
him back.
I've already explained that, yes.
Okay. What else can I do for you today, sir?
Where am I going to be on the 8th at 8:30?
Superior Court, Phoenix, it's at 175 West Madison Street.
No, I know where the courthouse is, but do you have a judge assigned?
No.
What's
the
up with
calendar is
Cochise County? Just passing through. You gotta let us in. I'm
Okay.
not from Arizona, so I'm not sure.
Okay.
You gotta fill
And
us
I
in on that
apologize
one.
for making you
No, I
wait. didn't
understand.
know if
Once
you
I
had-
saw what was happening, I understood.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
So
you.
your paperwork will be coming shortly. I think, are you making him a copy?
For the attorney, then get a copy of.
Okay, perfect. All right, and then your copy, sir, should already be waiting.
We don't see you on there. Okay? All right, not the third? No, that's why. All right. Hey, thanks for coming. Okay, you're welcome.
Northern
Thank you for
AZ.
your time.
Thank you. They haven't said the charge. They didn't say the charges,
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
but I'll take a wild guess. It's
Ms.
probably
Amanda Bell, please come to the podium.
it's probably worse than the other kid. I could tell you that much, based on how much he's milking that walker right there. Like Marlene said, that fool's walking. He's holding that walker up.
November 15, 1987.
Thank you, ma'am.
What did
You're
she
here
do?
today on a grand jury warrant. There is allegations of indecent exposure, which is a class 6 felony, and endangerment, which is of endangering the life or health of a minor, which
She
is
better
a
not be a
misdemeanor.
teacher.
Because it's a grand jury warrant, the grand jury reviewed the evidence and found probable cause. So an attorney has been appointed for you, and your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix, October 8th at 8:30 in the morning. You are eligible for bond.
Right, Marlene?
The grand jury set it at $50,000 secured appearance bond. That means you can use a bail bondsman. If you are able to make that bond, there are release conditions, which include no contact with alleged victim witnesses or
JC.
complainants. I did not include that you couldn't go back to the alleged location, because if this involved a minor with DCS, often they're already removed.
What?
So just be cognizant, read through the orders and make sure you follow them if you're able to make the bond. If you're not
Dylan.
able to pay the bond, you will remain in custody, and you'll be transported to your next hearing on October 8th, and the next judge may change these.
Definitely a teacher, right, Jenny?
Okay, all this information, including your attorney's phone number, is on your paperwork. Please take your paperwork and have a seat.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can I say something really quick, though?
Yeah, say it.
I didn't get my paperwork to go to my hearing.
There wasn't a hearing yet. It was a grand jury indictment.
So what is that? I'm sorry, I've never
They have
gotten in
collected
trouble.
evidence, and they found there was probable cause, and they indicted you on these allegations.
Okay.
And so now you have an attorney. Their
Riz,
phone
thank you
number
for
will
the
be
follow.
on your paperwork. If you have questions about how the next steps in the process go, those would be good for them as well.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Please have a seat.
Damn it. Damn, we got back to
And I
back.
think I did read both of them into the record. So at this time, again, if there are any changes to the house calls, they will be reflected on the written orders. It is not my intention to
Indecent
return to the
exposure,
recording,
if you
so the
will.
ATM initial appearance calendar is in recess
Bree, thank you for the
until
follow.
11 p.m.
11? Did she say 11? What state are we in that they have court at 11 p.m.? I don't know. Damn, hey, that was wild right there. The last three, that kid that looked really young, which was 20, that did some unspeakable things to some underage children. The guy with the walker, that his crimes were probably so horrific that they didn't even want them to mention them in court. I could only imagine. You know what? Look, he was definitely undercover because he was missing them glasses, like somebody said in the chat. He should have had them those glasses, because those glasses are always a dead giveaway. Like, you already know, somebody got some glasses on, the Choskis, the 3000s or the 4000 models, and you already know they're coming from a mile away. But when they take them off, you know, they're trying to blend in. But in this case, I guess he had the walker as the alert to let us know. Corn Dog's laughing. Let me see. What's good, carnal? Hey, what up? How's it going? Dead giveaway. Let me see. Thank you for everything, James. Hey, you're welcome. Hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. AZ Courts, 11 p.m. I live here and never heard of that yet. Hey, for those of you that are from Arizona, court happens every 3 hours. First court is at 2 a.m., 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m., which is the one right now. And the last one of the night is going to be 11 p.m. And guess what? Most likely I'm going to be showing up to that one because I'm hot right now. I'm on fire. I'm muy caliente, if you will. Every 3 to 4 hours, depending. Toxe, gracias. Man, I do appreciate you guys. And if you guys are new here, I would really appreciate it if you hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you anything. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. It's free for you. It's free for me. Hit that follow button if you like watching these type of things. Hey, this is like a public. I'm doing a service for the public right here to let you guys know what kind of things people are doing out there, especially if you're from Arizona, Maricopa County, and Tucson County. Off the back, I'm going to tell you guys, hey, the number one things you got to worry about out there is domestic violence, shoplifting, Circle K, Walmart, Target, and not in that order. And then DUIs. And then, I mean, this one, it just beats all of them. It's hide your children, hide your wife, hide the kids. Because they're out there, and it's anybody and everybody. And it's just not cops, teachers, your neighbor. It's family members, too. It could be dads, moms, uncles, tios, anybody. Anybody's a suspect when it comes to those type of activities. And that's one of the main reasons that my daughter is either with my wife or with me. Because you can't trust anybody nowadays. You never know what anybody's intentions or their true intentions are. You just got to give them that little bit of wiggle room, and they're going to strike. So, proceed with extreme caution. I know some people, family members, might be getting offended because you don't want to leave your kid or whatever, but ultimately you got to do what's best for you and for your kids. Because those type of, when they go through something like that, I couldn't imagine it's not gonna leave them the same. They're gonna be scarred for life. You can't delete that. You can't repair that. You could put him in years of therapy and whatnot, but it's something that I personally don't think that anybody could really heal from. Not that I've been involved in anything like that, but it just, I don't know. It's just like just thinking about somebody doing something to you. It just doesn't sit well with me. So, hey, that's the talk for the day right there. That's why I do this, to spread awareness, if you will. Becca, thank you. Highly appreciate you. Hey, like I said, hit that follow button. I don't ask for gifts, but I do ask for follows, shares, because like I said right here, sharing is caring. Well, we got about 200. We had about 200 people. Some people fell out, but hey, whenever you see me jump on, that's what I ask for. Tap that screen, hit the follow, and share, okay? Anyhow, hey, I'm going to go ahead and cut it because I got to go ahead and my wife, I disappeared. I didn't even tell her I was going to come over here. I just snuck up to the man cave and I turned on the computer and I'm looking for these courts and whatnot. Anyhow, hey, for those of you that don't know my name, I'm James, if you will. And I'm the host of You Have a Collect Call From, where we do a little bit of everything. We do phone calls with individuals in prison that are rehabilitated, if you will. We do board of parole hearings. We do transcripts. And then ultimately we do these initial appearances throughout the country. We do Arizona, we do Miami-Dade, we do Texas. We do a little bit of everything, all right? So if you like this type of material and whatnot, definitely stay tuned. And I also have a YT page. Whenever I'm not on TikTok, I got my page running on YT at Collect Call From also, where I run court streams all day long, nonstop, 24/7. I'm like a freaking octopus. I don't even know why I do it sometimes. Anyhow, let me see. Oh, replay the kid on the floor. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me. I don't even know where it's at. Hold on. Let me check if I could find it. I don't even know where the hell this thing is stored at. Hold up. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see. Hold up. Give me one moment. I forgot about that kid that fell on the floor. All right, let me go over to my YT page, if you will. Hold on, you know what? Oh no, I saved it on. Hold on, I'll bring it back right now. Let me see, YouTube. YouTube over here. Here it is. Okay, let me find it.
Show up to court. Now,
250.
Hold on, I'm finding the food that fainted over here. Hold on, give me a moment. I appreciate you. La migra is present. Damn, that food fell down. Appreciate you showing up.
Come to the podium. Okay. Raul
there is a man with the same videos. What the what? How dare he? Does he have one of these though? Does he have the drop one, flush one? I think not. And this is going to be the step to the left. Replace, if you will. Have a mask
Thank you. You're here today for a new case, and then you also have a probation violation.
Does he have one of these?
The new case alleges one count of dangerous drug possession, which is a Class 4 felony.
Can he do this?
One count of drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6 felony, and then one count of obstruction. You did not give your true name. That's a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on October 15th at 8:30 in the morning.
Hey, what up, 20
Moonstone? You are going to be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, and you will continue to be supervised by
I gotta look. Oh, there he went down. Hey, what up, Tokes? Welcome back. Damn.
All right.
I didn't even see that fool fell down. Marie, thank you for that heart. Highly appreciate you.
It took me a minute.
La migra is present. I still have my pager. That's right. I didn't even see this fool on the floor. Ninja? What the hell? Oh, man down! Man down! Hey, we need a EMT. We need a medic. He might need mouth to mouth, officer. Mouth to mouth.
Call for medical.
2 pumps.
They're on the way.
2 pumps. Give him 2 pumps, you officer. I've never done it, and I don't plan to. But he's down. He's down bad. Oh no!
You're okay for right now?
Oh no! He can't go on. Hold on. Are you really asking? Is this live? Just breathe. Somebody get him a paper bag.
What's wrong with you?
Is this live? Get him a paper bag, please.
This is very hard.
Take the math.
I apologize.
Is he being dramatic? Nah, we're playing back. He can't breathe. He can't breathe. Does anybody need another playback? I'll do one more courtesy playback. I missed it, of course. Me too. I wasn't even looking. Dude, I see he was on the floor. Bags work. Can you rewind that?
All right, you're almost finished. You do have a one violation. The hearing date
I'm gonna clip that right there. I'm clipping that.
Phone number will all be on your paperwork. Hang on.
Where's the oxygen? I'll get it back for you guys. I missed
it. You will be let out today. Just make sure you call your probation officer and go to
all right,
let's
go. We're gonna
go
again.
To that hearing, and you will continue to be supervised by your probation officer. Okay.
Hey, what up, Tokes? Welcome.
Please take your paperwork.
Hey, Shawana. All right, here we go. Hey, don't look away. Appreciate you showing up. Keep your eyes on him, or you're gonna miss it. Man with the same videos. What the what? How dare he? Does he have one of these though? That fool? Does he have the drop one? He was down for like 20 seconds before I realized he was down.
Yeah, 0506.
Oh, why does he have a mask on? Look, keep on looking. Look at the screen. 820 Moonstone, thank you.
You also have a probation violation.
Does he have one of these?
The new case alleges one count of dangerous drug possession, which is a Class 4 felony.
Can he do this?
One count of drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6
I'm just so full of myself.
And then one count of obstruction. You did not give your true name. That's a misdemeanor. This court did find probable cause and has appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on October 15th at 8:30 in the morning.
James was running his mouth and missed it.
Today on your promise to go to that hearing, and you will continue to be supervised by your probation officer.
Damn. Hey, what up, Tokes? Welcome back. I gotta play that back in slow motion when I cut it. Hey, Marie, thank you for that heart. Highly appreciate you. La migra is present. I still have my pager. That's right. Is that on? Ninja? What the hell? Oh, man down! Man down! I'm like 20 seconds later. This was down. We need an EMT. We need a medic. He might need mouth to mouth, officer. Mouth to mouth.
Call for medical.
2 pumps.
They're on the way.
2 pumps. Give him 2 pumps, you officer. I've never done it, and I don't plan to. But he's down. He's down bad. Oh no.
You're okay for right now?
Oh no. He can't go on. Hold on.
Okay.
Are you okay? You want me to hold you?
Just breathe. Somebody get him a paper bag.
What's wrong with you?
Somebody get him a paper bag, please.
Just very hard.
Take the math.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Is he being dramatic?
Are you okay?
He can't breathe.
Will you be understand?
All right, guys. Hey, so I'm reading some of the comments. I was watching you comb your mustache. Man, I was watching myself comb my mustache. Hey, yo, and he apologized. So, okay, for those of you that are in the medical field or feel that you're a professional from watching YouTube videos, was that a real? Did he faint for reals, or was he faking the funk? I read some messages there saying that that you guys believe that it was real because when he fell on it, he hit hard. It wasn't like that one lady that went down in slow motion. Real, okay. Let me see. Caddy Mac writes real. His face though. Hey Alexis, thank you for the follow. The guy coming on the bed. Let me see. It's definitely real. Laughing out loud. Fake, writes Dave. Let me see. Oh no, he fell for real. That was all body weight. I heard the thump. Real. Hey. Thank you for the follow. So a lot of you guys are saying that it's real. He's a good actor, writes you El Paisa. Watch his head, very real, writes Mommy Heartless. He was normal. He was normal in 2 minutes. That is true. That's a valid point. Why did it pause? It paused because I was playing it back. That's why it paused. Oh yeah, he's a good actor. Let me see. We're just doing a playback. Court is already over. We're just doing a playback for anybody that missed it. Did she finish with his bond? Yeah, she ended up finishing it. It was over. Zoom. Let me see. Put the cop kept saying, "Get up, get up." Let me see. He was so happy he was getting out. He passed out. I missed it. All right, I'm gonna play it back one more time for those of you that missed it. All right, I'm gonna do one more replay. All right, don't look away. Don't look at me combing my mustache. Look at the guy. Okay, I know my mustache is something to be looked at, but in this case, don't look at it right now. Don't look at me, little puppet. Look at that dude on the top. All right. Hello.
Okay, please go to your hearing and get this taken care of.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Please take your paperwork.
Hey, Shawana, thank you. Highly appreciate you.
Valentino
Appreciate you
Pena,
showing up.
please come to the podium. Raul,
There is a
Perez,
man with the same
door.
videos. What the what? How dare he? Does he have one of these though? Does he have the drop one,
say your
flush
name
one?
and date
I
of
think
birth.
not.
Valentino Pena, 050692.
Ooh, why does he have a mask
Thank
on?
you. You're here today for a new case, and then you also have a probation violation.
Does he have
So
one
the
of
new
these?
case alleges 1 count of dangerous drug possession, which is a Class 4 felony.
Can he do this?
1 count of drug paraphernalia, which is a Class 6 felony, and then 1
I don't
count
think
of
so.
obstruction. You did not give your true name. That's a misdemeanor. This court did find probable
does he
cause
have
and
one
has
of these?
appointed an
A
attorney to
Motorola
assist
pager.
you.
I don't think
Your
so.
next hearing is downtown Phoenix on October 15th at 8:30
It's your
in the
profile, I
morning.
bet.
You are going to be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, and you will continue to be supervised by your probation officer. Okay.
Hey, what up, Tokes? Welcome back.
All right. You okay?
Hey, Marie, thank you for that heart. Highly appreciate you. La migra is present. I still have my pager. That's right. Is that on Ninja? What the hell? Oh, man down! Man down! Hey, we need a EMT. We need a medic. He might need mouth to mouth, officer. Mouth to
Call
mouth.
for medical?
2 pumps.
They're on the way.
2 pumps. Give him 2 pumps, your officer. I've never done it, and I don't plan to. But he's down. He's down bad. Oh no.
You're okay for right now?
Oh no. He can't go on. Hold on.
Okay.
Are you okay? You want me to hold you?
Just breathe. Somebody get him a paper bag.
What's wrong with you?
Somebody get him a paper bag, please.
This is very hard. This is very hard.
Take the math.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I apologize.
Is he being dramatic?
Are you okay?
He can't breathe.
Will you be on the stand?
He can't breathe.
Are you sure?
Oh no.
Yes.
Ay, pobrecito.
You don't know what
I missed it, of course. Me too. I wasn't even looking. I see he was on the floor. Can you rewind that?
All right, you're almost finished. You do have a term one violation. The hearing date
I'm gonna clip that right there. I'm clipping that.
phone number will all be on your paperwork. Hang on to
Where's the
your paperwork
oxygen?
as you receive assistance.
I saw his
You
legs
will be
were
let out
behind
today. Just
the
make sure you
stand.
call your probation officer and go to your hearings. You have 2 sets of hearings. It's on your paperwork, okay?
I swear to God.
Hey, who cut it? I didn't see it.
All right.
I missed
Please take
it.
your paperwork, have a seat, and take care, sir.
Damn. We gotta make him go viral for that one. Nah, he. Hello. Hey, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm going to cut the stream. You know, I got one of these calls from prison. We got Silas on the linea. But anyhow, hey, I do appreciate you guys. I'll be back most likely at 11 p.m. So that'll be in 2 hours. All right. Go ahead and mark down your time. All right. We'll be doing the 11 p.m. court. All right. I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a collect call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And hopefully we don't have anybody else fainting on the next one because it's gonna be all bad. I'm pretty sure his head is hurting now. He's pounding, and they're probably only giving him like an ibuprofen 200 for that headache right now. So I'm pretty sure he's regretting it right now. Anyhow, with that being said, I'm out. A rato y buenas noches. Yeah, I was watching court right now, and this fool fainted. You know, the man down, get this fool.